Let's see. What are you doing?
Are you recording?
Yeah, look at her make that sandwich.
Make it sexual, make it sexual.
Yeah, make it sexual. Wow.
No, make it do this. Hold on, butt sex! Rosie!
Jessica, let's see you.
I'm fine.
Oh, what about you?
No.
Fine.
Open your mouth.
Oh, here, Jessica.
Open your mouth. Open.
No.
Damn, no, I mean like to swallow.
Now I gargle. Just kidding.
Go ahead, Gina.
Everyone says the same thing.
Boca?
What? Oh, squirt me.
Boca? Squirt.
My shoe.
Okay. Damn, no, I mean like to
Iris.
They're both boys.
Somebody was on their period.
I know, look.
Oh, you know when I went to the bathroom, grass came out of my shorts?
Yeah.
Because I kept putting like grass inside her like.
But why did
shirt.
it come out my shorts?
No, wait, squirt me again.
Make it sexual.
Down Iris' shirt.
No, every time you eat something, you have to make it sexual.
How do you make a gummy bear sexual?
Gummy. Oh, yeah, it's a gummy bear.
Look at me, I'm pro.
Gummy's like.
We almost have a thing.
No, wait, squirt me again. I kind of want some of that stuff by itself.
What was that?
Very good at squirting.
I'm pro.
But
Squirt it in her mouth? Well, let me swallow.
let me swallow. That's what she said. That's what she said. That's what she said.
Give me a
I did it. Do it again. Do it again.
Iris.
Okay.
What?
Swallow. Swallow.
I don't swallow.
You just did.
You gargle. You spit.
And then she just had it in there for like. It was funny the first time she like. Hold on.
No, I said the gummy bear. The gummy bear.
Yo soy tu gummy bear.
You guys can have it back after I get them. I'm not gonna do anything sexual.
Okay, just making sure you're not. Iris is ready.
Oh, she's
What? What did I miss?
oh,
Oh yeah, like
Happy face.
Fuck you. It's sticking its tongue at you now.
It's dripping.
what?
I was gonna lick it to the corner like.
Can I have the rest of my Robux? Fine.
He likes it from the back.
In the I don't know, but today seems
Have
kind of
some more
odd.
gummy bears?
No barking from the dog. No dog. Your mama cooked the breakfast and no dog. I got
I think we should leave it down there.
Oh, look, a nice spot.
Huh?
Go dealer.
My iPod froze. I gotta go because I got me a drop top, and if I hit the switch, I can
You
make
tell them
that
to go with this tomorrow.
drop.
There we go. Oh, let's go to the movies tomorrow. Let's watch Twilight.
What the hell? Twilight.
Oh no, Twilight.
What are we watching?
Oh,
Eclipse.